Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute photo booth looking video edit on CapCut PC. So add in your videos. I'm just going to make the zoom that a little bit because they're not very high quality, and I want them to be about, how many seconds is this, like 12? No, it's less than that. It's like 0.12 ish, or like 1 second. It's really up to you how many seconds you want the pictures to be, and just like copy and paste it many times like so. I just like selected them and like copied and pasted them to create this like animation. And then once you're done, you're going to go to effects, you're going to go to video effects. Then I like to select this one from retro. You don't have to select the same as me. I think this is the one that I selected. I don't know. Actually, I selected rolling film for mine. Then I like to go to stickers, and I like to use this like very cute sticker. You can choose any one that you want, any of the stickers you want, of course. That's what I meant. Maybe like this one. Just like add it in like random places. Make sure you add it till the end. You can add more than stick like one if you'd like to. Here. And yeah, that is basically it. You can just export it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!